Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to delete tile notifications after logging into Windows 10. By clearing these notifications, you can keep your start menu tidy and organized. Let's dive right in. Step 1. To begin, press the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Step 2. In the search bar, type Local Group Policy Editor and press Enter. This action will open the Local Group Policy Editor. Step 3. Within the Local Group Policy Editor, navigate to the following location: User Configuration, Administrative Templates, Start Menu and Taskbar. Click on each folder to expand the hierarchy. Step 4. In the right pane of the Start Menu and Taskbar section, locate and double-click on the Clear Tile Notifications during Log-On policy. This policy controls the clearing of tile notifications after you log in. Step 5. A new window will appear. Select the Enabled option to activate the policy. Step 6. Click on OK to save the changes. Step 7. Congratulations. You have successfully configured the settings to delete tile notifications after logging into Windows 10. Remember, the Local Group Policy Editor provides advanced configuration options for Windows, so be cautious when making changes. That's it for this tutorial. By following these steps, you can now enjoy a clutter-free start menu without those lingering tile notifications. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.